I'm even wondering how did I even get up to this place? Cause this work, most times, will just make you guy. I don't tire from waiting customers. They talk down to issues when they come up from the work. But bro, I'm not sure say I need to, cause most times you go just get God sent customers and we just make you smile most times. So one woman come my shop, say, not be say I dey even follow the woman talk. Oh. Next thing when I hear now, this guy no sabi repair phone. If you want repair your phone, carry and go market. I was like, no big those videos. When me and this one for meet before, he say, 4 years ago, say one of his sister bring phone for my shop. I can't spoil the phone. I say, 4 years ago. So because I spoil your sister phone, make I lock my shop, go as good shop. Brothers, wanna help me judge am. Is there no room for improvement? Don't you like what you see? Tell me in the comment section, my brother.